Okay.
Describe your C4GT mentoring experience in one word.
Um, I should say great or awesome. Yeah.
So, how was your overall experience on working with mentees during your journey?
I think C4GT team has done a very good job of structuring it by week to week, and there was already a pipeline set up on what to evaluate, how to structure the team. So the whole structure made it much easier. So I should say I didn't feel the pain of putting that extra hour or planning for it and all that. Most of the planning was done. I just had to talk about the project and just get them up to speed, not to bother about, okay, how do I manage this, should I check that and all that. So I should say it went pretty well, and I'm happy about it.
Do you have a message for the next cohort of C4GT?
Yeah, I think, see, those who are already participants are aware of it. I feel that is good because you have an opportunity to build your resume better, build your knowledge better. But I think the message should go out for a lot more people who are not aware yet, because this is a great opportunity for anybody who is in the technology sector to learn how to code, how to contribute, how to get involved. This is a very easy way to enter into a enterprise level or a population scale level projects without much hindrance, right? See, otherwise, to work on a project at this scale in a enterprise, you would have to like learn 3 4 years 5 years into the enterprise to get into that level. So here you get that experience much faster, much early during your student days. So this is an amazing platform for you to learn through uh, how to build a project which can make an impact at a scale. So I say do participate, learn more, and no task is a small task or a bad task, right? So everything helps to build the project. It may be adding correcting a spelling check in the spelling in a documentation, to fixing a bug in the product, to building a feature. Sometimes engineers think that, oh, I have to build a feature, then only it is awesome, but it is not. So even everything, right? So even fixing a documentation, helping a documentation, adding more information on the project, or even doing social media, like promotion for a project. Each of them are a step towards building this. So to build a community or build a project, I think all of that is a important thing. So make a practice to build on all this, then you will succeed better.
How do you think building this community is going to help the DPG DPI ecosystem in the long run?
See, any project, right, doesn't happen without people's contribution. It may be paid people contributing the code or somebody else as an open source doing it, right? So you need efforts, you need collaborative efforts, brain cycle of thinking or fixing the idea itself, because I may think of something as a solution. It may not be the best solution, right? So that is when coming together, thinking of it a problem, solving it helps. So as a community, you have more brain power as a community, right? Because everybody comes in, they see the project differently, they see the different use cases. So that is how it evolves. So the more participation, the more evolution for sure. So that will solve much different angles of a project and makes the product better. So it is a natural phenomena, right? So the more people gets involved, naturally the product gets better. So that's what I would see. That more participation, you participate as a contributor, you participate as a mentor, there is always a easier thing.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you.